Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Happy December. If this is your first time here, I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And if you don't know what Chalk Couture is, it is a DIY direct sales company. And welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today's transfer I'm going to be doing is Naughty or Nice list. And I'm going to be putting it on this Chalk Couture double-sided 5x5 frame, and Chalkology paste I'm going to be using is Shimmering Shadow and Scarlet. Scarlet is an in vogue color, so when this catalog ends in beginning of February, I think, it'll be as supplies last if there's any left. It is a nice deeper red than our candy apple, so if you like it you might want to grab it. Let's get started. Bleed a little bit in the wood, but I still think I like it. I also think this would be a great transfer. I think I'm going to put it on my youngest granddaughter's shirt for her, because she is so curious, and sweet little thing, but she's so curious, and so I think the I Tried would be really cute for her. But this is my project for the day, and thank you so much for watching. And all of my details and links are below. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.